In this video, we'll learn how to use Claude, an AI-powered tool, to parse and process long documents efficiently in Python, equipping you with skills to handle large datasets and documents seamlessly. Welcome to today's session on using Claude for efficient document parsing in Python. Did you know that Claude can parse documents faster than traditional methods, saving you hours of manual work? As we dive into this tutorial, you'll discover how Claude's AI-driven capabilities can transform your data processing tasks, making you more efficient and effective. Whether you're working with extensive datasets or complex text files, the skills you gain here will streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity.
Before we can start parsing documents, let's get Claude set up in our Python environment. First, ensure you have Python installed on your system, along with pip for managing packages. Next, download Claude from its official repository. Once downloaded, we'll guide you through configuring your environment, ensuring all dependencies are correctly installed. Running a test script will confirm our setup is operational. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, we'll cover common troubleshooting steps to get you back on track quickly.
Now that Claude is ready, it's time to load and read our documents. We'll explore techniques to efficiently load large text files, focusing on memory management to avoid overloading your system. Claude supports multiple file formats, including text, PDF, and docx, making it versatile for different needs. We'll also discuss error handling strategies to manage file-related issues gracefully. By the end of this section, you'll be able to load and access your documents without a hitch, paving the way for effective parsing.
With our document loaded, it's time to leverage Claude's powerful parsing features. Claude uses advanced algorithms to extract keywords, summarize content, and process documents in real time. Whether you're looking for specific data points or need a high-level summary, Claude's customizable options allow you to tailor the parsing process to your requirements. These features not only enhance efficiency but also ensure accuracy in data extraction, making Claude an indispensable tool in your arsenal.
Even with the best tools, parsing challenges can arise. In this block, we'll address common errors you might encounter when using Claude. From unexpected data formats to parsing inaccuracies, we'll provide strategies to identify and debug these issues. We'll also discuss ways to maintain data integrity throughout the process. By being proactive and prepared, you can ensure your parsing tasks run smoothly, minimizing disruptions and maximizing productivity. Performance is key in document parsing. This section focuses on optimizing your code to enhance processing speed and reduce memory consumption. We'll explore techniques to streamline your scripts, automate repetitive tasks, and benchmark performance to identify areas for improvement. By refining your code, you not only increase efficiency but also ensure scalability for handling even larger datasets in the future. Claude's capabilities extend beyond basic parsing tasks, finding applications across various fields. We'll explore how data scientists use Claude for analytics, how businesses leverage it for insights, and its role in academic research. We'll also discuss integrating Claude with other popular tools like Pandas and NumPy, enhancing its functionality. By the end of this block, you'll have a clearer picture of Claude's transformative potential across different domains.
Enhance Claude's functionality by integrating it with other Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy. This block will guide you through practical examples of how these integrations can augment data analysis, streamline workflows, and improve overall efficiency. From processing data frames to performing complex numerical operations, these combinations offer powerful capabilities, enabling you to tackle even the most demanding data challenges with ease. In this block, we focus on managing your parsed data efficiently. We'll cover best practices for organizing your data, choosing optimal storage solutions, and handling metadata effectively. Additionally, we'll discuss how to ensure data privacy and security, addressing concerns that are increasingly important in today's digital landscape. By adopting these practices, you can streamline your data management processes, making your parsing tasks more effective and secure. As we wrap up, let's recap the powerful capabilities of Claude in document parsing. Today, you've learned how to set up Claude, efficiently parse documents, and overcome common challenges. Remember, practice makes perfect, so I encourage you to apply these skills in your projects. Don't forget to explore our other tutorials to continue your learning journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Your feedback helps us create even more valuable content for you.